Hey, what's up fellas, that's Mechanic Mo here, and here I have this Infiniti that I replaced the engine. I have a problem with power steering pump, this one right here. So the pump got bad and I got another one. It's right here. That's a used one from junkyard. So guys, I decided to make a pretty small video where I'm gonna show you how to replace very quick the power steering pump from 2014 Infiniti Q50S rear-wheel drive. Let me repeat, it's a rear-wheel drive model. I don't know about the wheel-wheel drive, but this is a rear-wheel drive, and maybe on a all-wheel drive it can be something different. But anyway, at least you can figure out on your all-wheel drive at least where this power steering pump is placed. So as you see, I took this hose out, I drained the oil, and now I'm gonna disconnect this huge bolt and this hose. But before that, I'm gonna remove the belt, serpentine belt, right here, the tensioner, right here. I'm gonna use a regular ratchet, 3 1/8 inch. You place right here, and you move the tensioner pulley. So I'm gonna do that first, remove the serpentine belt, and then remove this too, and then we remove actual bolts that it's holding the power steering pump on the engine, and we're gonna replace with this one. That's cool. This is tested already, it's working, but it's used, so I hope everything will be okay. And it's the problem is power steering pump, and it's not the companion right there. Okay. That's fine. We can leave the belt here and the ratchet too, because we're gonna put it back together. That's a 24mm socket. Okay, that's extensioner right here. We got the extensioner, and we got the huge ratchet. Okay, here we go. Make sure you hold the O-ring when you take out the bolt. So, hey, what happened? My light is dead. So make sure you hold the O-ring. Settling down. Okay, here we go. We got a second O-ring. There is a two-side O-ring. Okay, we leave this one here, and then we have one bolt here, and another one is inside here. Is right there under the power steering pump. You can feel it. I'm gonna replace the battery, and I'm gonna show you where is that. Okay, let me get this battery. So one bolt is right here, and second one is right here. I don't know if you can see on the video. Probably is what, 12. Let me get this one first, and then I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna screw on this one. Yep, that's a long bolt on 14 millimeters. And this one is on 12.
As you can see, the pump is moving.
And that's it. Here we go. That's the pump. Okay, this is good, all right. So let's put it inside. So first of all, we put the lower bolt, and then we get the upper one. Okay, and after we tied up the pump, we put both hoses here, and then we put the lower one that I removed first of all to drain the oil, and then we put the belt, and then we put everything back together, and we can start the car to see if the pump is working or not. That's it. So hey fellas, I'm done to replace this power steering pump. It's back on the engine. Now I'm gonna put the oil. In the same time, when I'm gonna fill up the system, I can put everything back together to make the car ready for start. So let's see if it's working, if the reason and problem is in the power steering pump. I hope so. I put already some oil. As you see, it's cold right here. That's the level. So that's power steering fluid from Nissan. Oil transmission. Done job, done work, everything works good. The power steering pump is working very well. So I'm done here. Thanks for watching and see you next time.